Hello, you all. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonal and I make beauty related videos. So, if that is something which interests you, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, I have did my signature makeup look, which is paired with a winged eyeliner and red lips. But this is a very simple look, guys. So, make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's just get started with today's video.
So I have already primed my skin and now I'm going to be moving towards applying some foundation. The foundation which I am using is the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade Warm Sun. Taking 2 pumps of this foundation, I will cover whole of my face. I have dotted my foundation all over my face and I'm going to be using a brush to just blend it all in. So now I have applied the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm going to be blending with the same brush. To set my under eye and conceal areas, I love using the Banana Powder shade from the Wet n Wild Contour Palette. And I like to just take it in a sponge and just like press it right there wherever I have concealed and brightened. And for the rest of my face, I love using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. I am in the shade 330 Talkie Candy. So when I do this, like this motion and just pack the whole of my face with the powder, what happens is that my base lasts for a much more longer time. So I love just applying the powder all over my face and this sort of motion with the sponge. Now taking a fluffy brush from Vichy, I'm going to be just dusting off the excess powder. So the base is all matte and set for the day. Now I'm going to be moving towards doing my brows. For my brows, I usually don't like using a product. Basically, what I love doing on everyday basis is that I like using a greyish black sort of eyeshadow shade which is not very pigmented, and that is the shade which I love to use on my eyebrows to fill in. I just like to use this brush which is from Glam Girls. It is their flat brush and it was just for like 200 rupees. This one is just perfect for the brows and all. I liked using this brush for the brows. So I just take the black shade from the Maybelline's Nudes palette. For my brows, I just specifically love filling it. I don't like to have like a very pigmented brow thing. I am not a huge fan of that. So I just like to fill it in and make it look more in precise in shape, and yeah. This is basically what I like to do for my brows. I know it might be looking a little weird right now because I don't have a full face of makeup on my face right now, and after I do the rest of my face, it will just look absolutely fine with the face, with the makeup I mean. Okay, moving towards contouring my face. Actually, I love using this palette, which is the Wet n Wild palette, and from this I like to take the contour shade and just like move it around, and it adds a really nice warmth of color on my face. And as you can see that I have a very subtle sort of bronzer or contour sort of shade going onto my face. So for my blush, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Peach Peak Blush. See that? It's such a beautiful shade. So I personally love highlighters, and my favorite one is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna be blending it in. It's not going to be like a stripe of lines, so yeah. So for my eyes, I don't like to do a lot, but just use a nice warm shade under my crease line. Okay, so if you have been following me for a while, then you know how much I love my winged eyeliner, and I'm going to be showing you how I do that in this video. The product which I like to use for that is the Lakme Insta Liner. I absolutely love this product, and we're going to be using this to create our winged eyeliner today. So first you have to make sure that you have the confidence to apply it. Don't get scared or anything. It's just makeup, you can wipe it again and redo it. So what I like to do is first just underline my eyes, like follow the eye shape and just underline it, and later on I focus on drawing the wing. If you are a beginner, that is what you're supposed to do. Now I have been applying winged eyeliner for over years now, so what I like to do, like usually now I recently apply my eyeliner, first I like to go with the wing and then do the rest of the part. So you can go either ways, but I will suggest you, if you are a beginner, I will suggest you to go for the line first and then draw the wing. Like following your eye shape, you have to draw this line. And now we are going to focus on drawing the wing part. So I've just drawn the wing. Now I'm going to be connecting the wing to the eyeliner. When you're connecting your winged eyeliner to the base eyeliner, you also have to make sure that you don't start from right here, because it won't look a sharp wing then. But when you start from right here, it will give you an illusion of sharp wing automatically. So yeah, do that. So I've just drawn a line and just connected it to my basic eyeliner. And now I'm going to be filling all of this in with the black color. So now you can see the wing is almost done, but I like to sharpen it out and make it look more sharp and elongated. So for that, what I like to do is make sure that you have very less product in your brush, and you have to just exaggerate this line right here. You have to just bring it more above now. Okay, you can see this one is looking really nice and sharp, but I want to make my eyes look more elongated and bigger. So I'm going to be elongating the end, like just giving myself a sharper end as well. So for that, you have to make sure that you have very less amount of product right here in the applicator. And just draw a line like that. You see, it is just giving an illusion of me having a lot bigger eyes, and that is what I love about my winged eyeliner. So I'm going to be repeating the same off camera, and I'll be right back. Moving towards the lashes, I'm going to be first coating my eyelashes with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I am not the best with mascara yet, guys, but like I just try to make it better. So you know, I have a quick story to share. I have seen a lot of people working with white eyelashes because they just did their foundation, and their foundation is also upon their some product is also on their eyelashes, and they then don't even cover it with mascara, and it looks so weird. Like you walk around with white foundation, say covered wale lashes, and it just looks so weird. So never slip on mascara. Always make sure that you coat it with some black mascara. So we are done with the mascara and my eyes are finally complete. Now I'm going to be moving towards the lips, and for my lips I'm going to be using this lipstick right here with this one. I love these two combination of lipstick. This one is the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade Voyager, and this one right here is the My Glam Cosmetics Butterlicious Shea Butter Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade High Voltage. So now I'm going to be using the My Glam lipstick all over my lips, and this is a really nice red color shade. And moving towards the lashes, I'm going to be applying it off camera and I'll be right back. And yeah guys, I'm back, and this is how my makeup look turned out to be. The lashes which I have used is the PAC Cosmetics M72 lash. This is such a beautiful natural looking lash, as you can see. I love my base makeup when it's like glowing and it's looking nice, very subtle. It's having a very subtle amount of bronzer, blush, highlighter. I love having my red lips on. I love my winged eyeliner and everything, and this is what I wear a lot of times. This is the type of makeup which I usually wear. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, share this video, like this video, and I'll be very grateful if you can subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.